But good morning, Lauren. Lauren, where are we? What are we doing? What are all the things? Oh, you're a little warm. I guess I probably could have done this outside, but you know what we're doing in here? Today, we are on our final day of the cruise. We're going in the Black Forest. Unique thing with this one is we're doing a full day in the Black Forest, and it's basically like a private tour because it's basically us, two people from the ship next to us, and the guide. It's pretty cool, right? We're gonna do all kinds of things from hiking to cooking to learn about cuckoo clocks and glass blowing, and it's gonna be fun. Are you excited? I don't know how far into our little hike. Look at that waterfall. Look at that little waterfall thing. Wow. But yeah, what do you think of the Black Forest? It's pretty neat. It is pretty neat. Oh man. So, Lauren, we finished our little hike, and now we're in this cute little village thing. It was pretty cool. But now we're gonna go see a chapel. We're gonna make a cake. We're gonna eat some food. We're gonna do all the things.
It was originally a Catholic chapel, but the Reformation happened in the 1500s, so it's Protestant.
Oh, watch your head. Oh, this is beautiful.
This is for Miguel.
Okay, we'll grab this one. Okay, Lauren, we're about to cook. Are you ready? Lauren, we transitioned into cuckoo clocks. Okay, so tell me what you have learned about cuckoo clocks. And do you have a favorite one so far? There's so many.
Oh, it's so handsome. Oh no.
See? Real water for the water wheel.
Oh my gosh.
That's great.
This is like, these are like next level cuckoo clocks.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. He's climbing up the ladder. We're in like cuckoo clock heaven. Oh, this one's going now. This one's going now. Okay, honey, I didn't realize cuckoo clocks could be this cool. Okay, Lauren, so we finished cuckoo clocks, glass blowing. Now what are we doing? I think we're baking a cake. Well, actually, are we baking it or are we assembling it? But either way, look at all these cuckoo clocks. Oh my gosh. Also, that one is one of my favorite ones. It's just out of my budget. Actually, the waterfall one is still my favorite one. Or not the waterfall, the
watermill.
watermill. Yes.
Bring the whipped cream, and then you're all set.
Oh man. It's a lot of cake to eat, and I'm down. Are you excited?
Is it straight?
Yeah. Well, no. Actually,
Yes, very good.
this one's a.
And make sure that
that,
you follow
yeah.
a very straight line with the
Good.
knife.
Straight?
Yeah. Yeah. You're
Watch
good.
that
straight?
the knife
Yeah.
doesn't go up.
Tell me if it's not straight.
You're good.
You have to do the spatula. Okay.
Okay.
Here is a technique, okay? Very important. When you work with the spatula, you have to work with the whole length of the spatula. Like this. Not just with a, because like this you will never be ready. So what you do, always we start from the middle. Okay? You push down the whipped cream in the middle, okay? We have to cover completely the whole sponge. Take some off and take again where you need. So feel free to clear your spatula if you think you have too much and it cannot work so easy. And then take again. Very nice.
Oh yeah, we need some cream in that fire.
Yeah.
This is an adorable
This
fork.
is the cake fork. I mean, you can eat as well with a spoon if you would like, however you wish. Yes?
Okay, moment of truth, Lauren.
Good appetit.
Wonderful.
Gotta try it.
We had a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Lauren. So we've had the most amazing day in the Black Forest. Okay, we cooked. We saw some glass blowing. I couldn't get a video of that because I said no video. We learned about cuckoo clocks.
Gosh,
We
that
cooked
was-
again. We went on a hike. How was the cake? The schnapps layer snuck up on you.
It was, I prefer lunch, I'll just say.
Yeah, but this is a new tour offered by Viking, and honestly, I highly recommend it. It's a small group, and I absolutely love it. And oh yeah, and there's a little postcard that we got with all the instructions. But on that note, we'll see you guys on our next adventure. Right?
Away, away, nukui mua. And when it's time to find home, we know the way.